Huli ka, boy. New alaga. Ang togol. Oh, andito sa Smithy na. Why yung visibility, bro? Oh, fire charge. Let's go. Hindi ko lang sa under chest ko baka mawala. You like my snow biome, bro? Welcome, welcome, boy. Yeah. You like that? Oh, nakita siya. Umilaw bigla. Yeah, level 3 yan, boy. Hindi yan basta-basta design lang. Level 3 yan. Panis! Panis! Mag-speedboat daw siya. Ninimintiyo. Gumagawa ako ngayon ng... Oh, what is that? Oh, I have that too. Oh, andito na si loading. Meron din ako niyan, boy. Oh! Let's freaking go! Naka-zombie kami parehas. Magiging happy gas ka para sa akin. Nakatayo lang silang dalawa dito. Hindi nagsasalita. Kami na. Magiging happy gas kita. Wait. Kailangan ba ng saddle na ito? Wait, wala akong wala pa akong saddle. Like, man yun ng isa. Saddle. Gas. Ayun. Ah, okay. Kailangan ko ng... Bro, I got you. Basic yan. Amazing base. 810 from Smithy. Best base I've ever seen, to be honest. Best base I've ever seen, to be honest. Yo, thanks. Thank you, boy. Ano basic redstone lang yan, boy. 9.210 W base loading virus Trinity. Ever seen anything like this on a realm before? You're goated. Yo! Alright. Yeah! This base is awesome, man. Let's go! Nirate nila. Window fixed. Let's go! Pumasok na siya. Yeah, boy. Rating, oh. Yes, it will change, bro. Hindi nyo pa nakita ang mega base ko, boy. Let's go, hot tub, man. Meow, boom. Meow, boom. Tamaan mo, man. Dude, what? Yo, sinasadya ata niya. Sinasadya mo ba, boy? Basic. Oh, let's go. Let's go. What is bro doing? Three, two, one. Oy, ulit. 3, 2, 1, go! bro gave me a mace. What? Ultra mace. Yo! Talaga. Ipapakita ko guys yung base ko dito kay NTT. Hindi ko alam kung mapapagkatiwalaan to, pero sige na, matatapos rin naman yung season. Baka pares kami Pilipino, what the heck? South Africa. Oh, di kami pares Filipino. Tatawag siya. Yo, what up? Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, I can hear you too. Welcome.
Oh. Thank you.
Feel free to roam around.
Thank you. Wait.
So, this is my starter base. I started with this in my first day. This is my house. Yo! Who is
I knew
this?
it was you, man.
2, 1. Let's go, man! Let's go! Tut. Gaya. Uy! Madadamay ako. Aray. Yo. Nakumbuhan pati bulaklak. Yo. Bibigyan yan. So mga kababayan, ura. Kaya kakita nyo, naglalaban na si Entity tapos si Anti-Water. Wow, kinumbon! Let's go! Yo! Oh, napop. No, napop si Anti-Water. Ay, si Anti-Water ba? Sino napop? Ah, napop si Anti-Water. Dami kong battle dito, hindi ko na kailangan bro. Okay, round 3 daw, round 3 man. Gustong gusto nila yung snow biome ko, ganda kasi bro. Ayaw nila dun maglaban, dito nila gusto. Hop, tigdalaban na ba yung dalawa? Ooh, wow, binigyan ng espada. I can't face this. Okay, start na sila ng laban. Nagkukumbuhan yung dalawa. Tidididit. Oh, napapagad. Yo, napapagad. Round 4, man. Binigyan pa talaga ng mga Okay. Round 4. Wait. Sige, maglabanan lang ngayon dyan. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, sana mapansin nila. Kasi mag-umaga, di nila nakita. Andun sila sa taas. Oh, pearls. Binigyan ako ng pearls. Nagre-replenish lang dalawa, guys. Laban. Ayaw? Okay, sorry. Oh, labay antay. Meron din ako. You know. Nice. Okay, maglalaban ulit sila dito. Ready, fight! Round 4, man. Oh, nadamay ako. Nadamay ako. Aray ko. Up. Whoa! 1-3. Napop niya ito 3 beses at 1 beses, boy. Nag-11 na. What do you mean no? 0. Good fight. Subscribe, bro.